Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Adam Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam. Great to be with you.
We're feeling awesome today, full of energy. So it's the perfect time to talk about health.
Absolutely. We'll share simple English you can use to talk about sleep, food, exercise, and stress.
Short, practical phrases you can try today, at home, at work, or with friends.
If this helps, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who's building healthy habits.
Ready to feel better and speak better?
Ready.
Let's get started.
You know, Sarah, lately I've been thinking a lot about health.
Oh, really? What made you think about that?
Well, I woke up one morning feeling so tired. Even after sleeping for 8 hours, it made me wonder if I'm really taking care of myself.
I think many people feel that way. Sometimes it's not about how long you sleep, but how well you rest.
That's true. Maybe my lifestyle isn't as healthy as I thought.
So, what do you usually do to stay healthy?
Honestly, not much. I walk a little. I try to eat okay. But sometimes I just grab fast food when I'm busy.
Oh, Adam, fast food again?
Guilty. It's fast and tasty.
Tasty? Yes. Healthy? No.
I know. What about you, Sarah? You seem to always have energy. What's your secret?
My secret? I think it's a mix of 3 things: good food, regular exercise, and a positive mindset.
That sounds like something a fitness coach would say.
Maybe, but it's true. I used to feel tired all the time too. Then I changed a few habits.
Like what?
For example, I stopped skipping breakfast. I used to think coffee was enough.
Wait, just coffee?
Yes, just coffee. But now I have oatmeal with fruit or boiled eggs. It gives me real energy.
Maybe that's why I feel weak in the morning. My breakfast is usually a cup of black coffee and nothing else.
That's not breakfast. That's just caffeine in a cup.
I know. I need to do better.
Try eating something light but nutritious. It doesn't have to be complicated. Even yogurt with some fruit works.
Yeah, I can try that. What about exercise? You go to the gym, right?
Sometimes, but not every day. I go to yoga class twice a week, and I also like to walk in the park.
Yoga? Isn't that hard?
Not really. It's more about breathing and balance than strength. It helps me relax and clear my mind.
Sounds peaceful. I'm always stressed lately.
Maybe you need to move more. Exercise doesn't just help your body, it helps your mind too.
I agree. I used to play basketball every weekend, but lately I've been too busy.
Then maybe you should bring that habit back.
You're right. I miss that feeling of running and laughing with friends.
Exactly. Health isn't only about what we eat, it's also about what makes us feel alive.
Well said. You know, last month I had a small cold and went to the doctor.
Oh, what did the doctor say?
He said I was fine, just tired. But he told me I should drink more water.
Ah, the classic advice: drink more water.
I know. Everyone says that, but I never remember to do it.
How much water do you drink in a day?
Maybe 2 glasses.
Adam, that's not enough. You need at least 6 or 7.
I know, but I forget.
Then carry a water bottle everywhere. That's what I do.
Good idea. I'll try that.
Water helps your skin, your brain, and your mood. It's simple, but it changes a lot.
It's funny how small things can make such a big difference.
Exactly. People think health means big changes, but really it's small habits every day.
Like sleeping early?
Yes, exactly.
That's hard for me. I usually stay up watching videos or scrolling my phone.
That's what everyone does. But blue light from screens can make it harder to sleep.
I've heard that. Maybe I should turn off my phone earlier.
Try reading a book before bed instead. It helps me relax.
That sounds nice.
What kind of book do you like?
Something light? Maybe travel stories or short fiction.
Perfect. Just something to calm your mind.
So, to sum up, I should eat a real breakfast, move more, drink water, and sleep earlier.
That's a great start.
Okay, but tell me one thing. Do you ever eat junk food?
Of course. I love pizza.
Ah, see? Even healthy people like pizza.
Yes, but not every day. Once in a while is fine. It's about balance.
Balance. That's the key word.
Yes, enjoy your food, but don't forget what your body really needs.
You're right. I guess health isn't about being perfect, it's about caring for yourself.
Exactly. Taking care of yourself with love.
That sounds like a life lesson, not just health advice.
Maybe both.
You know, Sarah, after our last talk, I actually started changing some things.
Really? That's amazing. Tell me, what did you change?
Well, first, I started eating breakfast every morning.
Nice! What do you eat now?
Usually eggs with toast and a banana, sometimes yogurt.
That's great. How do you feel?
Honestly, I feel more awake in the morning. It's weird how food changes your energy.
It's not weird at all. Your body finally has fuel.
True. And I've been drinking more water, too.
Wow! I'm proud of you.
Thanks. I keep a water bottle at my desk, like you said.
See? Small changes work.
Yeah, but I still struggle with sleeping early.
That's okay. Change takes time. Do you use your phone before bed?
Yes, I do. I keep saying just 5 minutes, but then it's midnight.
Oh, I know that feeling. Try keeping your phone in another room.
That's scary. What if I miss something important?
Haha. Trust me, the world can wait until morning.
You're probably right.
You'll sleep better, and you'll wake up feeling fresh.
I'll try. By the way, have you ever tried meditation?
Yes, I love it. 10 minutes of quiet breathing can change your whole day.
I've heard that, but I don't know how to start.
Just sit comfortably, close your eyes, and breathe slowly. Focus on your breath. That's it.
Sounds simple, but I bet it's hard to keep my mind quiet.
At first, yes. But the more you do it, the easier it gets.
I might try it. I need peace lately.
Then do it. Health is not only about your body, it's also about your mind.
You're right. I've noticed that when I'm stressed, I get headaches.
Yes, stress affects everything. Your heart,
your sleep, your digestion.
So true. I think mental health is just as important as physical health.
Absolutely. They work together. When one suffers, the other follows.
That's deep.
It's true, though. That's why I try to keep positive thoughts.
How do you do that?
I write a gratitude list every night. Just 3 things I'm thankful for.
Wow, that's nice. What kind of things do you write?
Simple things, like a nice walk, a good meal, or a call with a friend.
That's beautiful. It reminds you of what's good.
Exactly. And it helps me sleep peacefully.
You're so disciplined, Sarah.
Not always, but I try.
I think that's the key. Trying. Not giving up.
Yes, consistency matters more than perfection.
That's true for everything, even work and relationships.
Exactly. It's all connected.
So, what about food lately? Still eating healthy?
Mostly, but yesterday I had ice cream.
See? You're human after all.
Of course. Health isn't about saying no to everything. It's about balance.
I like that word. Balance.
Yes, balance keeps you happy.
I'm starting to enjoy cooking healthy food.
That's great. What do you cook?
Simple things. Grilled chicken, vegetables, smoothies.
Smoothies. What kind?
Banana, spinach, and a little honey.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
It's actually good, and it makes me feel great.
See? You're becoming a health expert.
Not yet, but I'm learning.
You're doing amazing. Just keep going.
Thanks, Sarah. Talking to you really motivates me.
I'm glad. Sometimes all we need is someone to remind us we can do it.
That's true. Health is a journey, not a race.
Exactly. A journey of small, daily steps.
You know, this morning I took a walk instead of checking my phone first.
That's wonderful. How did it feel?
Peaceful. The air was cool, the birds were singing, I felt alive.
That's what I love to hear.
I realized health isn't complicated. It's just living with care.
Beautifully said. Living with care. For your body, your mind, and your soul.
You should write a book, Sarah.
Maybe one day.
Thank you for inspiring me.
And thank you for listening. That's how change begins. With awareness.
I'll keep going. Eat better, move more, rest well, and think positively.
That's perfect. You've got it.
And one small scoop of ice cream on Sunday.
Yes, of course. Life is meant to be enjoyed.
Then cheers to good health and happiness.
Cheers to that, Adam. Stay healthy and stay kind to yourself.
I will. And next time, I'll tell you how my meditation practice goes.
I can't wait to hear about it.
Deal. Thanks again, Sarah.
Anytime. Take care of yourself, okay?
You too. See you soon.
Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!